In this video, we're going to talk about how to change your working directory. Another way to think about changing your working directory is moving around into a different folder, changing what folder you're in right now. So if we refresh ourselves, right now I can type pwd or print my working directory to see that I'm currently in users/Paul. And if I type ls on my Mac, I can see that there's a folder called desktop here. And I want to change my directory, my working directory, to the desktop. So to do this, I'm going to type cd, which stands for change directory, then a space, and then the name of the folder that I want to go into, the name of the directory that I want to go into. So I'm going to type cd desktop. And this will change my working directory to being in the desktop folder. And you'll actually see now it says I'm in this folder desktop right here. If I print my working directory, it says desktop, users Paul desktop. So I went inside the desktop folder. And that's as if I were over here, just in my Finder the same way, and I clicked on this desktop folder, and I went into that folder. If I type ls now, we can see that the printout has changed because I'm now in my desktop folder, and what's there, or the files and folders that are there, are changed. You can see that these folders are the same ones or the folders that are in my desktop folder right here. Also, if I move around, you can see that these folders are the same ones. It's the desktop of my Mac. Okay, so now I'm in my desktop folder. I can look at the files in there. What if I want to get out of that folder? What if I want to change my directory or get back to where I was or get out? The way to get out of a directory is similar to getting in, but instead of saying the name of the directory, you say cd and then a space, and then to get out, you can do 2 dots. So if I do cd and then 2 dots, 2 periods, and then I hit enter, this will take me back out of the directory to where I previously was. 1 level up, you can think about it as going. And now if I type ls again, you can see this is the output of when I was in my users Paul directory, or if I type pwd, we can see I'm back. I printed my working directory again, and I'm back in my users Paul directory. So to get comfortable with this, one thing that I would suggest is practice. Explore different directories on your computer. So maybe I'd like to go into my music folder. So I'm going to go cd music. And I can hit enter. Now I'm in my music folder. I can type ls and see what's in there. And then I can go cd 2 dots to come back out of my music folder, back to the previous working directory. I can print my working directory from there. Now I'm back in users Paul. So that's one way to practice getting comfortable with moving around from different folders to folders on your command line and changing your working directory.